Good morning, students. Hope you all are very fine, studying at home and enjoying also. This is your GK class and I am going to teach you about a new building, and that is Hawa Mahal. Before this, you all have read about Taj Mahal, Gateway of India, India Gate, and now we are going to study about the Hawa Mahal. These are the famous monuments of our country, which we should know, about which we should know where it is, what is where it is located, of what it is made up of, and now I will explain you these things. First I will tell you about the Hawa Mahal and then show you the picture of Hawa Mahal. See here, Hawa Mahal is a Hindi word, and if we will translate into English, what it will be? English translation, Palace of Winds or the Palace of Breeze. Wind means air, breeze. Is a palace in Jaipur, and it is approximately 300 kilometers from capital city Delhi, means capital of India. Okay, and Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Built from red and pink stones, the palace sits on the edge of the city palace, Jaipur, and extends to Janana or women's chamber. So this is the Palace of Breeze, where it is built. It is built in Jaipur, and it is 300 kilometers far from our capital of India, Delhi. And what is used to build? Red and pink sandstone. Earlier, my dear, sandstone was only used to build the nice buildings, better buildings. Sandstone, marble, this were used. Not cement were not too much used like nowadays. Now I am going to show you the Hawa Mahal. This is the picture of Hawa Mahal, and you can see there are so many windows. See. Earlier, if you will see the Bada Imambara or any ancient building, my dear, you will see that doors and windows are crossing to each other, so that sufficient air should enter the building. So you will see all the buildings, the ancient buildings, where there are door and windows, they are crossing each other for the breeze to come inside, so that it should be comfortable. It should be filled with air. Now see, here are some questions related to this chapter. In which state is Hawa Mahal located? And in which city we have read? It is Jaipur. And Jaipur is in which state? It is in Rajasthan. And one more thing I will like to explain you, my dear. This is Hawa Mahal is built up of red and pink sandstone, and it is also, Jaipur is also known as Pink City, because most of the buildings are there, ancient building, not nowadays. Nowadays new buildings are being built and new colors are there, but ancient buildings in Jaipur, all the buildings were colored with pink color. That's why Jaipur was also known as Pink City. Now I am showing the picture. No. See the next question. Which shape is carved in Hawa Mahal? And it is honeycomb shaped is carved in Hawa Mahal. In the stones, in between the stones, this honeycomb shape is carved into the Hawa Mahal, and that's why it looks very beautiful. This honeycomb shape makes it very beautiful, because in Hawa Mahal honeycomb shape is carved, and 953 windows, they allow breeze. How I have explained in the previous slide that there are crossing doors and windows which allow breeze to blow inside the palace. See here, you can see the carving of the windows here. windows are, and above that there is honeycomb shaped, means net shaped. In all the windows you can see net shaped are there, and this make it looks very beautiful from outside or from far away also. It makes it very beautiful. Now see the next question. How many windows are in Hawa Mahal? And how many windows are in Hawa Mahal? Already I have explained, 953 windows. And this allows breeze to blow inside and makes it a Hawa Mahal, palace of breeze or palace of wind. See the windows, but you can't count from here because another side also there are some windows. That's why you can't count the actual number of windows from one side. Now what makes Hawa Mahal a perfect summer palace? This is the most important question, my dear, because as by its name, Hawa Mahal, Hawa, air, breeze, makes it a perfect summer palace because the windows, 953 windows, allow breeze to blow through the palace, and that's why it is a perfect summer palace. Now we will go to the next question. Now which animal is slippery and slithery? Slippery means which we can't hold properly, it slips from our hand. And you will see snake. Snake is a slippery and slithery animal. Oh, my dear, definitely we are scared of the snake, and we are scared of the snake and we won't catch the snake by our hand. But if you will catch it, you will feel that it is very slippery. Now I am showing you the next. Which animal has tusks and a big trunk? And elephant have tusks and big trunk. Now I am showing you the picture of elephant. See, this teeth which you can see, this is called tusk, and this is the trunk part of the animal, of the elephant. And see, in English you have studied the elephant flapper is big ears. See how much big ears is this. It is very big ears elephants are having. That's why in the English chapter you have studied that elephant flappered his ears to listen the sound of hyena's laugh, isn't it? Now I am sharing you the next question, and the next question is, which animal is called the king of the jungle? And I think all of you know which animal is called the king of the jungle. Now in the place of which animal, we will write lion, and then we will copy the rest question. Lion is called the king of the jungle. Here we will add the. Lion is called the king of the jungle. Now let us see the next question. Oh, here is the picture of the lion, the king of the jungle. And already you have why it is the king of the jungle, because he is brave, bold, confident, smart, good looking. So we should be brave like a lion, strong like a lion, confident. These are the things we should learn from the animals and develop our confidence. Now next question is, where do wild animals live? And we will start the answer from here. Wild animals live, and we will add in jungle. See, wild animals live in jungle. Same answer. And jungle is how much important, all of you know, because it is the home of many animals. It gives us many things, because medicines, wood, The most important thing is it purifies the air. That's why jungle is very important for us, and we should not cut the trees. People should not cut the forest. They should try to save the forest. Now we will go to the next. So people should try to save to the forest. I am showing you the picture of this forest, how green, clean environment it looks. Neat, clean and green environment. Now thank you, my dear. Hope you all will like this video, and wherever you face any problem, my dear, go through these videos and take help. Okay? And the question answer, first you will write HW and date. Today's heading was Hawa Mahal, so you will give the heading Hawa Mahal. And then you will start doing your work in very neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.